Welcome to Driveline, your go-to destination for the latest updates, reviews, and insights on everything automotive. Today we're taking a closer look at the 2026 Mitsubishi Triton, a rugged and refined pickup that blends utility, performance, and modern tech to meet the demands of both work and lifestyle driving. The 2026 Mitsubishi Triton arrives with a bold new design that reflects its robust character. Built on a reinforced ladder frame chassis, it offers enhanced rigidity and off-road capability. The exterior boasts sharper lines, a wider stance, and a signature dynamic shield front grille that makes the Triton stand out on the road. It features redesigned LED headlights and tail lamps, aggressive alloy wheels, and practical enhancements like integrated roof rails and a higher ground clearance. Under the hood, the Triton is powered by a newly developed 2.4-liter bi-turbo diesel engine, delivering increased torque and horsepower compared to the previous generation. Paired with either a 6-speed manual or an 8-speed automatic transmission, it ensures smoother gear shifts and better fuel efficiency. The Super Select 4WD2 system allows for seamless transitions between 2WD and 4WD modes, enhancing traction across all terrains. For serious off-road enthusiasts, features like hill descent control, off-road drive modes, and rear differential lock provide additional confidence. Inside, the cabin has seen a major upgrade in terms of quality and technology. Premium materials, improved ergonomics, and additional insulation make it a more comfortable ride. The infotainment system includes a large touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, while the digital driver display delivers all key information with clarity. Practicality has not been compromised, with ample storage spaces, USB-C charging ports, and dual-zone climate control. Safety is also a priority in the 2026 Triton. It comes equipped with advanced driver assistance systems such as adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, blind spot monitoring, forward collision mitigation, and a 360-degree camera system, making daily drives and off-road adventures safer and more manageable. With these updates, Mitsubishi aims to position the Triton as a strong contender in the global pickup market. It is built for those who need reliability and toughness without sacrificing modern comfort and innovation. Thanks for watching Driveline. If you found this video helpful and want to stay updated with the latest in automotive news, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications.